nobody knows but you. You can't get advice on what you should do with your life, right? Nobody knows what you are. Like even sometimes you don't really even know what you are. You got to take your shot.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the grocery store. So I was thinking about something. I was like, you know what? What do you get when you mix this with this? We are going to make bacon wrapped Oreos. That's right, folks. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. Stay tuned.
Come have a talk with me. Come have a talk with me. Yeah.
Some of y'all don't know what I'm doing. I am making a bacon wrapped with an Oreo cookie. Not just any Oreo cookie. A double stuffed Oreo cookie. So if anybody is wondering why I am doing this, I got bored and I was like, you know what? Why not? So we're going to see what just gonna come out to be. And let me tell you, folks, it is going to be amazing. This is what we do in the middle of the week. We just get creative and just do silly stuff. And hey, why not? Take a look at these babies over here. They look amazing. Amazing. That's it. Stay tuned. My mom is going to take a bite of this bacon wrapped Oreo. All right, big time. Let's do it. It's hot, so don't burn your hand. Be ready. Take a bite. Don't be afraid. Yep. See that, folks? You gotta be willing to take the experience. Big time. All right, folks, that's it. Thanks, Mom. Appreciate it. Say Kool's on out. Here we go, folks. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is my bacon wrapped Oreo. Just a little quick thing. I was bored. I wanted to do something different. Let me tell you, the taste was amazing. If you love creativity and you love what we do in the Kool Zone, please do push that like button. And if you would like to see more videos from the Kool Zone and much more, subscribe to the Kool Zone. Hit that bell. There'll be so much more to come. Thank you for watching. I love y'all. Kool Zone out.
Took a real deep breath, made my very first album. That was the first volume. Now I'm on 3. Hip hop is still there. If you love it, never let it disappear. The sky's not the limit here. Let my mind go and grind more. I get my grind on. I know someday I reap the benefits. I can never leave her alone, not even a little bit. Yes, sir, I got hip hop.